Hi students, in this video we will learn how to create sample line in Civil 3D. It's the first step to create section views for any design for your road or for grading plans. But if you have not sample lines in your drawing, then it will really impossible to create section in Civil 3D. So you can open 1201 sample lines drawing from the description link. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will drop you with this drawing. From the home tab, profile creation views panel, choose sample lines. You can see here, just click and at the select an alignment or press enter key to select from list. I can select here my alignment, but if there are many lines I can't, then I will just press enter and here we have many alignments. So for now I want to create sample lines for road C. That's why I will select road C alignment and press OK. The create sample lines group dialogs open. In the create sample line group dialog, we will put the name here, road C sample lines. Now we need to select different styles for different surfaces, which we will show later in our section view. First, we have existing surface. It is already selected existing ground by style, and here you can see a green check mark, which means if we will create any section using these line groups, it will show you also existing surface. If we will uncheck this box, then this surface will not include in these sample lines. Later we can also import sample more sources in our sample lines, but here you have a choice to check or uncheck any surface. Then we have North River Crossing. For this I will select the style all codes. Okay, and then here we have top and datum surface. If you see the column is too narrow to view the full names of the items, to see the names of the item, pause your cursor over the name, or you can also expand something like this. So here I need to select finish ground surface style for the top and also same for the bottom. So once your screen should look like this, then you can press OK. On the sample lines toolbar here, just click on drop down triangle, and here we have many tools which we can use to create our sample lines. The first one we have by range of station, which is most often we use to create sample lines. But if you need any single section, you will use at a station. And when you have corridor and you want that your corridor should be follow for sample lines, then you will select this from corridor station. Then next we have pick point on screen. For example, I want to select here any station. I will just select this command and I will put here click anywhere to draw my sample line. Then for example, you have any CAD file you get from the client or any company, and you need to follow the same sample lines which they already created in AutoCAD, but now you want to create Civil 3D sections. So select existing polylines tool will help you to create with existing polylines to Civil 3D sample lines. So this is very simple and is very useful when you are working with IFC to shop drawings. In this lesson, we will use by range of station, which is the most often we are using. Just click here and it will open with your dialog box. Station range. If you need from alignment to start your sample line, you will select them as a true. Otherwise, if you don't need sample line at the start of your alignment, then you will click false. And same like it will apply on the alignment end. If you will select false, it will give you the end station which you can put as per your own desire, that if you want to stop your sample lines on, for example, 15, 18 plus 50, so you can put your station here. I will go with true, and then here we have left swept width and right swept width, which means when we will create our sample line, our road center line will be the 0, will be the center of our section view, and when we have a right width 50 feet, then we have a left offset which will be 50 feet. So these are actually the offset of our section views. But if you have any alignment which is not constant at the different offsets along your alignment, then you can use snap to end alignment tool and you will put here true. Then your sample line will follow those alignments around like right and left with your parental alignment to follow those alignment. And here we have sampling increment. You can choose along tangent, along curves, along spirals. If you have on your alignment, then you can choose different frequencies, different interval for your sample lines. And here additional sample controls, we have at range station, at range end. You can check here we have false, so we will go with the false. If you want to go with the true, then it will also create start at and at the end. Just press OK and you will see here we have some sample line, but it's not created yet. Just click enter again and you will see your sample lines are here. Just ignore across this panorama window and you will see here that our sample line start from the 50, 10 plus 50, and then we have another with the increment of 50 feet and also with the 50 feet right and 50 feet left offset. So it is the complete group of sample lines which we can use later to create our sample, our section views. So stay tuned with us. In this chapter we will go more in depth with sample lines in cross sections creations tools.